you're doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I will be doing an eye makeup look with the cColors Cosmetics Dope No. 2 palette, and this is just going to be a dramatic half-cut crease look, so I hope you enjoy. I'm going to be taking this yellow shadow. I will be applying this on the inner part of my eyes. Using the pink shadow, and I'm going to extend this shadow towards the tail of my brows. I'm going to be using a paper card to use as a guideline to have a cleaner edge. Now I'm picking up this deep red burgundy shadow. This is going to be on the outer part of my eyes. Taking this black eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that over where the burgundy was. I'm just going to help darken it and add depth. I'm adding the same black onto my lower lash line. That burgundy and the pink shadow onto my lower lash line. I'm going to take a foundation base and I'm going to make a half-cut crease. White eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that wherever I applied the base. So I'm going to make a diagonal line right over here because I wanted part of the eye makeup to also look slanted. Going back in with that burgundy shade, make a diagonal line right here. Now taking the black, and this is going to go on the top. Creme Shop 3D Lashes in Wig. This is how my makeup turned out, and it's really dramatic. I've never done a makeup look like this. It kind of reminds me of drag makeup a little bit, but I do like it a lot, and I hope that you liked it too. Please let me know what you would like to see more from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.